All right, today I'm going to talk about the book, The Psychology of Money. This is an amazing book if you haven't read it. Just talks about why we do what we do with money, and there's a lot of really good tips on it. So here are 5 tips that I got from the book. Number 1 is doing well with money has little to do with intelligence. There's a couple amazing stories in the book that talk through that. And really the point is financial success is not a hard science. And they talk about a plumber, and they talk about someone who's very financially successful and how the plumber can outbeat, and it's not about skill, it's not about IQ. So it just really talks about it's a soft skill. How you behave is more important than actually what you know. And it's one of the only areas in life where that's true. Number 2, we all have different financial realities, so everyone's financial decisions are shaped by their own life experiences, upbringing, so forth. So a lot of times you see what your parents do or you see what people in your life do, and your own reality from a financial perspective is shaped by that. Avoid judging others for many money choices. What seems irrational to you might make perfect sense to them. And a lot of that goes back to what you grew up learning and knowing, maybe their reality. And that's just the way it is right now. But for me, there were certain realities and I've learned to change those, and it was super helpful. So another great tip. Number 3 is save money without a specific reason. So savings without a spending goal gives you tons of options and flexibility. So don't just save to buy a car, trip, so forth. Save so you can buy yourself freedom. That is really the ultimate goal. So that's an awesome tip. Number 4, compounding is the most powerful force. So good investing isn't necessarily about making good decisions. It's about consistently not screwing up. And time matters more than your rate of return. Start early and let time work its magic. I've talked about this. It's better to have time in the market than to time the market, trying to find the perfect time to buy. So that's worked really well for me over time. And then number 5, like I just mentioned here, freedom's the ultimate goal. That's what you want to get. Controlling your time is the highest dividend money can ever pay you. So stick to these tips. This is some of the stuff that's really helped me become a millionaire. So thanks for listening. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks.